Okay, so first of all we are making composition over here. So this is my page, and that's page we are making composition birds. So that much space I can make this, that bird is like this in this page. Okay, we are making, yes, was senior, right? We are making this bird that much. Okay, this is here the composition I'm making in the middle. Keep silence. Just understood that what I doing. This is a page, and I do this bird in middle of the page. This is the yeah. It's for you, all of you. Make it circle first like this. Okay. Here you are very lightly, not dark. Okay. It is the position where you are making your drawing. It's not up, not down, not this side, not this side. In middle, your drawing should be here. Okay. So this is your position. So you can, this space you need both sides. Okay, fine. Supposed to you, I not made still yet. I tell you that. Please keep quiet and understand that. Okay, be patient. Now I make here first the bird. So out of the birds, first I make it the circle here. I finish bird in between this. I make the circle like this, the shape. Okay, the proper shape circle. Just more make the circle first. Make circle. Okay, and this is circle. I do this here. I can do the drawing in between. After the circle, I just make it here. Okay, here like this. I tell you, better. I not start yet drawing this drawing. I just tell you, first make circle for head, and then make, after 5 minutes, if you not understand, I tell you again, okay, don't worry. I make the body, okay, so, and I make here the tail part. So this is the bird. You can see here the birds, okay. Is it visible? Here the birds, okay, it's visible, and I draw the bird, the basic shape of the body, okay, here. First I make circle over here, okay, circle, and I leave this that much space in between this, that much space, okay, fine, see this. So I just make it like this, and now here, okay, from this here I just create the big line. See here the big line, so we can create the big line over here. So this is the basic shape of this bird body. Okay, fine. And now the wings, this part, okay, we are getting this part, wings part. So we are going to this like this, okay, and go ahead to this. So what is happening now? This bird, one, here is the bird, here is the wings part. It's called the torso, and here is the pelvis. It's called the leg coming from here. This is wings coming from this side, okay, this circle, and this circle, its legs is coming like this. Okay, we are making the leg like this. This is the leg line, torso and pelvis. For example, if I show this, the human character, or okay, see this is the, if you create this human character, the same thing. See this is one circle, two circle, three circle. You imagine this one circle is head, another circle is torso, another circle is pelvis. So in middle circle, hand is coming, okay, and the lower circle, the leg is coming. This is the leg, okay? This is the leg. The bird also the same things, okay. The middle circle, hand is coming like this. See, head, torso, pelvis, head, torso, pelvis, 8 torso, pelvis, 8 torso, pelvis. From torso, this middle circle, hand is coming, and the pelvis, the door circle, leg is coming. Here also same thing. Okay, all animals, birds, human, the same anatomy. Okay, is there. This is the time of. Okay, so now we are going to here. Okay, puts the this part. Okay, 1 2 3, this is the wings part I create over here. Very simple. Okay, take time, aram se. I'll make the wings like this. Okay, so I create already this this bird, you know, the flow, the balance, how to what is doing. And this is kingfisher, and here is a okay, this is what you not understand, beta. What you not? Okay, fine. Again I show you. Okay, what part you not understood, you tell me. Okay, you make first circle head. Okay, beta, make circle like this. You show your drawing. I want to see this your drawing. How old are you, beta? How old are you? My voice is clear, beta. Okay. Ah, right. I hope so. Again. This is going haircut. Okay. Okay, that much is done. First. Yeah, I giving time, no problem. Akhilesh, show your drawing. Important parts to doing with the pencil. This. Okay, so here I can draw. This is, you can see here. So eyes part is here. Okay, see over here. This is very minutely. You can see this is the eyes part. Okay, here. So exactly this part is the eyes. Okay, we can create the eyes like this. But we will convert the drawing with the our art style. Okay. So next 10 minutes we are doing drawing only, and it is a fish. Okay, it's a fish like this. This fish is over here. Anywhere you are facing any doubts, you can tell me, please. Okay, don't worry, I am showing again and again. Okay, fine. So this body is done. Here wings is done. Okay, fine. The body flow like this. Okay, this part is done, and here is the wings. Okay, just like this. So I can make it first the drawing. Now we are creating this drawing with this art form, right? We are creating this art form. Okay, fine. Fine.
So when will you outline
Yes.
the legs part and all that?
Yeah, I just now do the legs part and all. Okay. Okay, just watch that. Yeah, I start the next steps. Okay. So we are going to this. After that, like we are creating here आराम से do like this. One, like this. Okay. This is the
Are you all my personal dreams?
the tail parts. Okay, here. Okay. Like this. We are making this part. Now I just extra add something lines over here. Okay, for like this kind of effects we are putting out colors and all those things. Okay, extra line. Understood, Akhilesh beta?
No, sir.
You do this beta. Your drawing is good, very nicely. You can do beta. Now you hear my voice.
Yes, sir. Your voice is coming.
Okay.
So the drawing is completed.
We are making color now. After that, is this yes, please show.
Sir, is there any other?
Are you all my personal
Yeah. Yes, beta. Show.
Is there any other hand for
Yes, beta. Is another Niharika is here. Yeah. Yes, beta. Nice. Yes, it's nice. This is nice. We are going to color after that. Akhilesh, you understood beta? Where uh, any problem if you are facing, you tell me. I can do show you this part. Okay, beta, don't worry. Okay, so I can make some water over here because this is this fish coming from the water. So this is some water reflection. So you can make it some force line only like this. I do something force line like
Are you
this
all my personal dreams?
in this drawing. Okay. Done that much. We are now okay.
Just like the line is done.
Okay. Okay.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Fine, very good. Okay. We are going to the next part over here. What the?
Sir, you can color it also.
Yeah, I color it now. So now the drawing part is done. We are going to color now.
Wait, sir, I will bring my. I can show.
Yeah, please show. Before start the color. Nice. Yeah.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Yes, yes. Let's start the color now.
So what color want to use for this?
Yeah. We are using first I using this erase this this pencil drawing, whatever I doing inside the pencil drawing, I just erasing this completely. Okay, so it's coming very clear. Okay, outsider any pencil line drawing. Anybody understood anywhere? If you not understand, I can tell you. Okay, this clear. This is we are doing the paint. Now we are going to paint. Okay, so the basically. Okay,
Are you all my personal dreams?
okay.
Everything you know is in your mind.
So now here you can see this is this part. I can just make it the blue. Okay, Prussian blue. We are going to this here. Okay, like this. Prussian blue. Okay, like yeah, this is Prussian blue. Prussian blue. So you can see the color is Prussian blue and
Are you all my personal dreams?
yeah, you can use the brush pen color also. Don't worry. Yeah, it's also the same. Okay, we are making this color. I'm making this French ultramarine very nicely. Few area, not everywhere. Okay. Yeah. I just
Sir, if my next ultramarine blue version, sir,
this fine
comment this
here. Just here I can use little bit of okay.
Sir, next part.
Yeah, next part I show. Okay. So here I can put this. I can use in yellow ochre and orange. This is little dark color, like okay. Not it's a yellow ochre or lemon yellow. You can use that lemon yellow and brown sienna. Its color is coming like this, little reddish kind of. Okay, little reddish kind of.
Are you all
Okay.
my personal dream?
So we are creating. This is like few strokes, water strokes, like with the color like this.
Everything you know is in your
Here and
mind.
there. Okay. We are making this big, little violet kind of. Not everywhere I put color. Just somewhere I'm using the pencils, pen and ink. So I'm using the pilot pen for that. So you can create your own creativity over here. Violet, violet color, yeah, little bit of.
Are you all my personal dream?
Okay, yeah, violet. So you can put some like this. Yes, yes, the black. This big, right? This big. Yeah. Dots. This is blue only. This is blue only. Yeah, it can is a blue, Prussian blue kind of. Okay. We make some strokes. That strokes are making more beautiful.
There's a foundation whenever I try spreading the ink dots.
Okay.
It falls on my face.
Yeah, it sometimes happens.
Last time, last class we had done animals watercolor.
Yeah.
But for the spots, it came out.
Oh my god, it's happening now. It's quite natural.
Are you all
Okay,
my personal
we're making this color is a little reddish. This pink type kind of. This is wing. Beta, you're just making the Prussian blue
Everything you know
and
is in your mind.
Prussian blue and crimson red. If you punch, its color is coming this. We are creating like this.
Are you all my personal dream?
Making few lines, dots, okay, here and there. So you can match that art from like this. Okay, you can create. Doing this humming, this birds like kingfisher. The red and Prussian blue, beta, and the the lake part is put in orange. Okay. I take some small brush. Okay, and you can put the orange for lake part like this. You can make some small stroke also here with the brown and orange. Okay. Like this.